Learn how to and why you should be adding YouTube chapters to your longer videos. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and then click on that bell so you're notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. YouTube chapters are nothing new. However, they are becoming more relevant and more important to use. To add chapters in your videos, go to your description section, add a title like chapters or video highlights, then start with 00:00 and add intro to video. Then after that, continue to write time codes for the chapters you want to create. There needs to be at least 3 chapters in a video, and they need to be at least 10 seconds apart from each other. Your chapter titles should be keyword catchy and searchable because YouTube is indexing those chapters. By adding chapters to your videos, it's going to make them more searchable in YouTube and Google, and research shows it actually increases watch rates. This may not be needed on all videos. However, if you're posting educational content or anything longer than 4 minutes, it's suggested to add chapters. Do you like seeing chapters on videos? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.